Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to make Google Sheets online and do a collaborative data editing. And first thing we have to do here is just go open the Google Sheets application, and this is the Sheets application symbols looks like. And after that, you just need to choose which documents that you want to collaborate with. For example, the example documents. Okay, and after that there will be like several ways. The easier or the simplest way, you just need to go click these three small dots here, and after that you can just go click manage access. In this manage access, you just need to go click this restricted and change this restricted into anyone with a link. Hold on. And after that, when you already changed the restricted into the anyone with the link, you need to change this side too. If it's still in a viewer mode, you just need to go click in editor. Okay, and now means that when anyone send or receive the link that you sent over these documents, they will have an access to edit the documents too. So now you can start your collaborations among these documents. Just need to copy the link here, and you just need to send the link into your collaborative teams. So that's the way how to make a collaborative data editing on a Google Sheet. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you today, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.